Yung cola walang ano, tres lang yun.
A 7-year-old man. Bunch. Okay, flat world. Oh, Minecraft bad. No way. That's not play mods.
Dalawa.
I just added it there. Click. What should I do?
Kanino ka nalagay? Nagbigay na
Buy
lang.
concrete.
Oh, yun. Isa na lang kulang.
Concrete.
Wait lang.
After do this, then I'm gonna make a house.
Dalawa pa lang binibili eh. Saway ka rin.
Okay. My dog is so loud. Don't mind about the loudy dog. My eardrum. Hama. Daddy. Mandi pagi. As I'm a newbie to this game, but I am really good out.
Tapos na sana ako kanina kasi lang may benta pa ako.
I was bad to the losing game.
Andyan sa ano? Yung QR. Bigay ko na lang.
Alright, go. All I was bad to the losing game. Okay, so let's put the second one. Maybe struggling. Black concrete. Mapoy. Kalakala po. Okay, so sugar. Sing another iPad, the telephone. You cannot see, it's dark. It's pure dark. Okay, so let's. Oh my god, so fluffy, so fluffy. Oh, 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 all I know, all I know. This is a random house, but not really that random. Not random. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh my god. This is the last part of the Minecraft edition, Pocket edition, by the way. I don't know why that I said that, but never mind. On that part was a losing game. Okay, so let's add the oaks there. And why did I mess up? Bro, I messed up.
Yung isa kasi marunong, kaso nga lang laging wala. Yung isa naman, yung lagi nandito, ngayon hindi naman, hindi inaaral yung negosyo. Lang, dapat aralin mo yung provision. Kasi yan yung tumutulong sa atin, laki. Yan yung bibigyan ng pagkain natin. Wala pang trabaho. Kasi dapat pag alam ba, busy kami ni Mami. Hindi yung po cellphone. Kasi may oras naman. Hindi ka na pinagpapawala mag-cellphone. Hindi kayo lugar mo na. Diba, nagkalat ako pang maskara mo. Nagkalat ako pang maskara mo. Pang eyeliner mo. Ano? Ano? 5 na ano?
Ay, si Cassie. Ano yan, Deng?
Ako din ganito.
Ano yan? Ako na. Si Cassie. Ano na yung
5 daw pera niya.
ano dito, ma? Gusto mo ng juice? Pag 5? May juice ako pag 5. Gusto mo?
Ano? Ice cream.
Gusto.
May grapes pa ba?
Wala, strawberry na lang. Pag walang grape, strawberry.
Anong flavor pa to? Grapes pa.
Sige, si Tubay, nadalali yung walang grape. Dali ba yun? 5 lang pera ni Cassie, 6 yung sige, utang niya.
Okay guys, I'm done. Bye bye.